À quelle heure?
At what time? At what time?
À quelle heure allez-vous?
At what time are you going? At what time are you going?
Où allez-vous?
Where are you going? Where are you going?
Que que vous allez faire ce soir?
What are you going to do tonight? What are you going to do tonight?
Que que vous aimez faire?
What do you like to do? What do you like to do?
À quelle heure allez-vous être ici?
At what time are you going to be here? At what time are you going to be here?
Combien de temps?
How much time? How much time?
Restez.
To stay. To stay.
Combien de temps allez-vous rester?
How long are you going to stay? How long are you going to stay?
Voulez-vous?
Do you want? Do you want?
Que voulez-vous?
What do you want? What do you want?
Voulez-vous l'acheter?
Do you want to buy it? Do you want to buy it?
Avec moi.
With me. With me.
Viens avec moi.
Come with me. Come with me.
Parler.
To speak. To speak.
Je veux parler avec vous.
I want to speak with you. I want to speak with you.
Pouvez-vous me rappeler plus tard s'il vous plaît?
Can you call me back later, please? Can you call me back later, please?